Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers. Today I am going to discuss with you some problems from integration. Here our first problem is we are given dy by dx is equal to sec square x by 2 and y is equal to 5 root 3 when x equal to pi by 3. Then we have to find the value of y. Here we are given dy by dx is equal to sec square x by 2. First we have to bring this dx term to the right hand side, then integrate both sides. We know that if we integrate dy, then we get y here, and then uh, if we integrate this term we get 2 10x by 2 plus c. According to this formula, we know when we integrate x square bx into and dx, then we get 1 by b 10 bx plus c. Here there is x by 2, so it will reverse and we get 2 10x by 2 plus c. Since we have to find the value of y at 5 root 3, y is 5 root 3 and x is pi by 3. Now we have to put the value of y 5 root 3 and x pi by 3, then we get the value of c, which is 13 by root 3. And when we substitute this c at this equation, we get our required equation, which is y is equal to 2 10x by 2 plus 13 by root 3. This is our equation. Now we'll go to problem second problem. In this problem, here is a figure. The figure shows part of the curve y equal to x times 6 minus x and part of the line y equal to 2x. We have to find the coordinates of p and q. Then we have to find the ratio of area of a and b. So there are two areas here. We have to find the ratio of the area. Now here given y is equal to x times 6 minus x, which is 6x minus x square. It's equation 1, and y is equal to twice x is equation 2. Now putting y is equal to 0 in equation 1, we get 0 is equal to x times 6 minus x. The value of x will be 0 6. So coordinate of q will be 6 0, and if we substitute from 2 the value of 2 in 1, the value of y in 1, then we get the value of x, which is 0 4, and if we from that we get the coordinate of another point, which is p 4 8. Now the area of a plus b will be, we have to integrate 6x minus x square dx from 0 to 6, and if we integrate, then we get the it is definite integral, so we get a definite value here. The value is 36. Then for the second here area is we have to find the area of a. So notice here, when we find the area of a, then we have to subtract this area of a plus b. From this area of a plus b, we have to subtract the area of b, right? We have to subtract from area a plus b to b, then we get the area of a. That's why we have done here. What we have done here, when we find the area of a, we subtract total a plus b from a plus b to only the area of b, then we get this value 32 by 3, and b is 76 by 3. First we find the area of a, then we got the area of b. How we get the area of a? We subtract from a plus b to b. A plus b minus b, we get the area of a. How we get the area of b? By this, right? Okay. Now the ratio of a b will be 8 by 19. Now we are going for our third problem. problem 3. Here first we have to sketch the curves of y equal to sin x and y equal to cos x for this range. Then we have to calculate the area of the region enclosed by the curves and the x-axis and the curves and the y-axis. There are two curves, and now we have to substitute the value of y from 1 into, we get sin x is equal to cos x 10x, and the value of x will be pi by 4 and y will be 1 by root 2. The area enclosed by the curves and the x-axis is 2 twice 0 to pi by 4 sin x dx. Here we integrate sin x and get minus cos x, and the value is 2 minus root 2. Now the area enclosed by x-axis, y-axis and y equal to cos x is, we have to integrate cos x with respect to x from 0 to pi by 2, and we get the area is 1, and the area enclosed between the curves and the y-axis is 1 minus 2 minus root 2, which is root 2 minus 1. Here we first find this area, right? Find this area in the first part when we what we did here. Then for the second part we find we subtract from this part to this part, then we get this part, right? What we did here, first we find the total area what we first we find this total area, right, and we subtract this part, and then we get this part, which is needed in our question. We have been asked to find, so that is our formula, that is our answer. And now another problem here. Here we have been asked to find the derivatives of x cos x with respect to x, and we have to then find the value of this term, right? And now we are given a y equal to x cos x. First we differentiate this both sides, and we get dy by dx is equal to x minus x sin x plus cos x. Now by cross multiplication, we get dy is equal to minus x sin x plus cos x dx, and we bring x sin this term to the left hand side and this term to the right hand side, and when we apply the integration on both sides, we get our required value of the required value of this expression. And here we apply when we integrate cos x, we know we get a sin x, and from that we apply cos sin pi by 2 minus sin 0, apply the formula here, and similarly here we put the value of y and then apply the limit, and we get the value to the required value is 1, which is our answer. Now it's like last problem. Here we are given y is equal to x by root over 3x minus x square. We have to show that dy by dx is equal to 3x divided by 2 root over 3x minus x square. We have to evaluate this value of this expression. We are given y equal to this term. This is in u by v form, right? So when we differentiate this, we get a v square in denominator, and in numerator u divided by dx of v minus v. Sorry, the formula is if it is u by v form, I hope you can see, if y is equal to u by v, then du by dx will be v square v du by dx and u dv by dx. So according to this formula we get this term. Then we just have to do little calculation here for the root over term. I hope you can understand this, and finally and we from this term we have to apply the integration on both sides, like this. By after cross multiplication we have to apply we can apply the integration, and after integrating we get our required value, which is 4 root 2 divided by 3. So that's it for today. I hope this will help you to understand integration method more. You have to practice at your home, and if you find any topic difficult or any problems, you can uh, post comment in my YouTube channel, and also you can message me through my Facebook ID. Anything, please ask me. I will be motivated to answer you if you ask me any question in my through my Facebook or Instagram, any media. Thank you all. I hope you all the best. Assalamu alaikum.